everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today is March 8th. I'm going to try to have this video up tomorrow, and I'm thinking it might be in two parts. I don't know. Just depends how blabby I get because I'm having a hard time uploading things over 10 minutes, to be honest. So I'm going to make that wreath that I was talking about for Easter, and I have all the supplies in front of me. Now, I'm not so good at this. I'm more into tablescapes and that kind of stuff. And Kathy really is the crafter, but I'm going to give it a good attempt. So let me show you what I have. I don't know if you remember, I found this carrot sign over at the dollar store recently. It just says Carrot Patch, Egg Hunt, and Fresh Product Open Daily. So I think that's going to be a really cute wreath. Now I went to Walmart with this grapevine wreath. It's a good size. I think it said it was, it's an 18-inch grapevine wreath. And it is making the biggest mess over my table. And I apologize for this lighting. Every time I'm under the chandelier, it makes horrible lighting. I can try to turn you a little bit, but that's not much better. Okay, so let me cut the tags off of here. I still have that other project I want to get done before Easter. You know, that little vintage dresser scarf. I'm going to do that too. So I think I'm going to go this. I thought this wreath was nice because it kind of is an egg-shaped wreath. So I'm going to do it this way. So I haven't decided if I'm going to make this a permanent wreath or just tack it down with a little hot glue. But because this sign actually fits in it really nice. So I might just tack it in. I think that's what I'm going to do. Just tack it in. I'll tack it in with a little hot glue here. So get this right here. So I think that's a good spot for it. This is going to be cute. You know, I looked for my Easter wreaths before I packed them, and I couldn't find one. So maybe I didn't have an Easter wreath. I don't know. I know I had to have had some kind of wreath on my door, but it may just have been a floral wreath or something. So I'm going to get this one done. It's going to be adorable. Let me cut the string off of this. And I'm just going to tack this in just ever so slight. That way, if I want to take it apart, it'll just come apart. So how's everybody been? I have been busy, having a hard time letting things go. I think I told you that before. I have all this stuff, you know, stuff I've collected, and it's hard letting things go. So I've been going to Goodwill, and I've been pretty good lately. I haven't bought any more. So we're supposed to have a community garage sale coming up, and I may participate in that. Honestly, I hate garage sales. I hate standing out there, you know, the exchange of money and all that. And I don't know. I'll figure it out. So anyways, I've got the little sign just tacked down. If I want to take it off, it'll come off pretty easy. And then I have this greenery that I'm gonna lay down. And I like it because it kind of hangs. So I think I'm gonna cut it in half. And I'm just using my scissors. My scissors are so bad because I use it for everything. I do have one really good pair that I keep up for fabric, but I think I'm just going to tack this down in a couple little places. I like greenery kind of hanging off the wreath too a little bit, you know, so it's not just flat. It's three-dimensional or something. So I'm going to find a couple little places that I'm tucking it under the grapevine. And then I'll just tack it down a little bit. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to put this, and see how I say I like it hanging down a little bit. I think this is going to be cute. So let me find a couple little spots here to just tack it down right here. And like I say, if I want to take it apart, it'll be easy because I'm just putting a couple little glue spots on it, tucking it in. It's going to be cute. One more little spot here. I like a lot of greenery on a wreath. Wish you could see what I'm doing, but I only have this little thing here. So that's what I have so far. Last year I made all my own carrots and it was a lot of fun. But this year, nope, I just didn't have time. And of course I can't find the ones I made. So I'm going to tack this little piece over on this side. And it's the grapevine's nice because I can just tuck it right under there. Trying to get it kind of even on both sides. So that'll look like that. In fact, this is the greenery I think I used for my, that lighting's so bad, for my carrot tops when I made them last year. Oh, this is going to work out, I think, perfect. Going to fit perfectly. I'm really excited to do that other vintage wreath. That's going to be fun. Okay, so that's kind of what I have so far. A lot of greenery hanging down. I'll probably tack it up a little bit better, but for right now, that's what I have. Now I'm going to use these big carrots. These are just really cute, and you know, for $1.25, heck, you can't beat that. Let me get these out of here. What's nice about these is they have the picks in them, so you can just, you know, pick them right in the grapevine. It's going to be adorable. So all I'm doing is finding a spot in the grapevine just to stick them down in, and I'll just do a little tacking down with the hot glue. So the homes that I'm looking at, they don't have the formal living room and the formal dining room like this one has, and that's okay. You know, it just has a great room. Most of the homes, the newer homes, are built like that now. I'm looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-car garage is what I want. Don't want a pool. It's okay if, you know, the community has a pool. I don't swim anymore. My pool has gone to waste. And, you know, I'm kind of excited that maybe a young family will move in here with children. It's perfect house. We've got the high school right next to us. We got the junior high right next to us. And the elementary kids are bused over into another neighborhood, and bus stops right at the end of the street. We have a beautiful park at the end of my street this way, and a beautiful park down here with play equipment, soccer fields, basketball courts, volleyball courts. So it's a great home for a family. I will miss it, and I will definitely miss my sweet neighbor, Jane. Hi, Jane, if you're watching, and Perry. And they're the best neighbors I've ever had. And that will be sad. It'll be sad to say goodbye. But, you know, I got to do what I got to do. And I want a brand new home. I want the security of a home that has brand new air conditioning, brand new roof. We had a leak this year in our roof, and my pool needs some work done on it. And I just want the security of everything being brand new. It'll be fun. I am excited about it and scared about it at the same time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tack some of these flowers in. I like these. They look like mums, really, but I love the colors. They're yellow and orange, and then these little orange and yellow flowers. So let me tack some of these in, and it's cute. It's going to be real cute. I have more carrots to put on that, but I think I better get some flowers on here next. So I think I better cut these off individually so I can, figure out where they are going to go. So let me just tuck some around. I only move about once every 20 years. And between Mom and I, we ended up collecting so much stuff in this home. It's just hard to let it go. But then again, I know that I can replace it. I mean, there's certain things that I won't let go, but, I've got tons of dishes that I have collected over the years, and that kind of bothers me because, I do all those tablescapes. Oh, I can't get that one apart. There we go. So I'm just adding little florals to this. I wish you could see it better. I'll show you in just a sec. I know Kathy has this beautiful craft room, and then her computer, she just, can film right there. This light every time I move. So I'm just tacking some flowers in. It's going to be cute. Okay, I will be back in a minute, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So give me a sec. All right. Okay, so I'm not done yet. I'm just stopping by to show you what I have so far. I put these, I don't remember what these were called, hop something. I got these at the Dollar Tree last year. And I put a bunch on either side, added some more carrots. I added some of these, I don't know if they're sunflowers or daisies. And then I don't know if I want to put the bow here or the bow up there, but let me mess around with this and I'll come back and show you in a sec. So this is how it turned out. I think it's adorable. Right now I just have it hanging on my wall, but I will put it on my front door for Easter. I ended up using both ribbons and made a double bow, just very simple. And I think it is cute. Now for the mess. Oh my goodness, this is what I packed. Love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.